Whoa.
Oh boy. Hey, nice job, you.
Nice job, you.
So that was too small of a pan. Highly recommend a larger one next time.
Oh Lord, it ain't easy being cheesy.
What is it? What is it?
You got a year-round sunset view that nobody can beat.
Come over here, baby. Don't let it get around the engine.
We got flip-flop tan lines tattooed on the tops of our feet. But not everyone can live this life. There's only so much room here in paradise. Oh Lord, it ain't easy being cheesy. We got limes on the tops of our beers that we give a little squeezing. We just go and fish in the bay when the ocean's too breezy. I tell you all, it ain't easy being cheesy.
Hold on. Hold the phone. Never mind. That's that every time I leave. Put a slab on board.
Oh, it amazes me how us locals ever survive.
You got a 14-incher.
You're
not the only Oscar
winner. 20 million tourists drive.
He said, I just got away with Misty.
Down US 1 with the camera out the car, trying to snap the perfect picture of our clear blue water. Oh Lord, it ain't easy.
What the hell is that?
Something different.
We got limes on the tops of our beers that we give a little squeeze.
We gonna need a bigger boat, baby.
We just go and fish in the bay when the ocean's too breezy.
Oh no!
Did you just break off?
Yeah.
Ah.
Oh good
Give
Lord,
it 2 head shakes, baby.
it ain't easy being cheesy. We're all just living on a rock out in the middle of the ocean, far from the mainland and all that commotion. We smell like Gila rum and suntan lotion.
Yeah, man. Let's go now.
1, 2, 3, good Lord, it ain't easy being cheesy. Just take that lime off the top of your beer, gon' give it a little squeeze.
We got some Snake River Farms fillets. Misty Berry, what are you doing today?
Well, I'm making a peppercorn sauce and a red wine reduction with sauteed mushrooms and onions to go on top of those beautiful steaks.
Get out.
Yes, sir. Along,
What are you cooking over there on the stove, I see?
so that's going to be the red wine reduction,
Mm-hmm.
which is beef stock and red wine. It is 2 to 1, 2 parts beef broth and 1 part red
Are
wine.
you giving away secrets?
Yes,
You gotta
sir.
pay for that shit.
And then reduce it down is a lot. So for the peppercorn, I am adding shallots. So I'm going to saute them and then add in the beef broth, let it reduce. Then I'll add in the peppercorns. Actually, I'll probably save the peppercorns to the end. Then I'll add myself a little bit of this Woodward Reserves, reduce that down, and then add some heavy whipping cream and peppercorns, and there you go, done.
Sounds delish.
Yes, sir.
So what all are we cooking up for? Whoa.
Oh boy. Hey, nice job, you.
Nice job, you.
So that was too small of a pan. Highly recommend a larger one next time.
You can smell the wine reduction.
That's because of me. She thought that was 12-inch man.
We have mushrooms that are getting cooked down. We got some asparagus cooking.
This is going to be the peppercorn sauce,
Peppercorn sauce.
red wine reduction,
Red wine reduction.
espresso martini.
Espresso martini. I'll tell you what.
That's how you do it.
What is
I will
So
let you
here's
know.
the definition of irony. While we're drinking espresso martinis, cooking baked potatoes, mushrooms, asparagus, white
Yeah.
or red wine reduction, and peppercorn sauce for our Wagyu beef fillets.
Let's not forget.
With our wine, we just did a fireball shot out of these plastic things.
And meanwhile, we got Nichols and Nichols red wine.
Yeah.
$250 bottle of wine with Fireball in a plastic cup.
Why not?
Yeah, that's how we roll.
That's how we roll. That's how we roll. What do you got going on over here, Misty Berry?
This is gonna be part of the peppercorn sauce.
Woodford
That's,
Reserve.
This is a
Yeah.
really nice bottle.
Uh-huh. Double
Yeah,
barrel.
double barrel. Double oaked.
Smells so fucking good.
Yeah.
How's it going over here, kid?
Fantastic. We're about done. The reducing process is over. Now we're incorporating a little butter in there.
Keep bruising.
This is a red wine reduction over
That
here.
peppercorn thing
This looks fucking amazing.
looks fucking amazing.
Yeah, it's my favorite. See how it's starting to bubble up?
Mm-hmm.
We all are at this fucking point. Oh, you don't need both of them? Look at you. You got this.
Two's a waste of time.
You can grab my one glass, please. I was wondering what happened to it. Uh-huh. Damn, girl, you're not
Damn, she recruited you to grab her booze.
Yes.
That's fucking great.
starving. I am.
No, you're not. You just did.
All right. All right.
Well, it's your
All
whatever.
right. Well,
Eat
take
it
your
or
salad.
Okay. Thank you, everyone,
Bless.
for this wonderful day and this awesomeness. Oh, that's true, honey.
Yeah, funny.
Plus we got another
I
guy.
love you.
Oh
Oh my God, they're throwing shit.
Throwing potatoes and shit
Yes,
on
sir.
It kind of fell off the
Yeah,
fork,
we can
but
split a baked potato if you like.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Split it later.
Okay.
That line for you?
Oh, that's not.
well, I'd like to say for a crew of people who caught 16 different species of fish today and filled up a food box, a cooler box full of them, we sure aren't eating any.
Nope.
Yeah, but you know what? When you got some Wagyu flavored yum
Wagyu.
and you know.
Here, put your Gatorade up there, redneck. There you go.
Yeah. Red, red.
So, Kev, I've known you since I was 10. Tell these people out there what Stewart Marine Services does.
Well, you know what? Today they catch some snappers.
They caught a lot of damn snapper today.
but we survey vessels to make sure that when you leave the dock, you can get back to the dock and protect your investment. That's what it takes.
That's what it is.
They can buy a boat, but we sure hate to see people get taken. So we rely on hammers, we rely on meters, we rely on sounds. Just like playing music, you rely on sounds.
Yep.
I'm gonna flip this real quick. But if it just doesn't sound right, it just ain't right.
It just ain't right.